Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make these little flowers for the shadow box that I'm going to be making in another video that I put up. It's really easy, really simple. All I use is a rat tail comb in my hands. And here I'm just showing you the different colors and the different patterns that I have. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the rat tail comb, lay it on the tip of the flower where you're going to start rolling it, and you literally just roll. And I just did a little roll, just enough for me to get a good grip. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this flower around and around, making sure that at all times the bottom of the piece that I'm rolling is equal with the bottom of the flower. So you always want to keep that matched up, and you just roll it all the way up until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you're just going to take the last little piece and just fold it under, and then the flower is going to make its form. Now here I'm trying to show you the difference. If you was to roll it the same way I just showed you, you really can't tell the difference because both sides were the same color. But here, however, depending on which way or which color you want to see the most, that's going to determine which way you're going to roll it. So I want to actually see the color part when I glue the flowers down, so I'm going to roll it and I'm going to see the white part. But once I open it up here, you see that the color is going to be showing, and that's just the difference if I would have rolled it the other way. Same thing with this. I'm going to roll it so I can see the pattern on the inside.